In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to scan a two-sided document using the HP Smart app for your HP OfficeJet Pro 9130 printer series. We will use the Automatic Document Feeder or ADF. The ADF for this printer supports two-sided scanning, and it does it automatically in one pass. So this is a 8 pages two-sided document that we are going to scan. Let's place it into the ADF. Remember to use the paper guides. Now on your Android phone, start up HP Smart app. At the HP Smart app, make sure that HP OfficeJet Pro 9130 is the printer that is being shown, and you need to select Printer Scan. Now at the drop-down menu, select the source to be Document Feeder two-sided. And our page size is automatic. You are now ready to scan. Tap on Scan. The scanning is complete, and here are the 8 pages. You may reorder the pages if needed, or even to rotate them. Remember to save the documents. You can save as an image or basic PDF, and you can also change the file name. When you tap on Save, you can select the folder that you want to save to. So in this case, it's saved to the Downloads folder. So this is how you do a two-sided scan using the ADF for your HP OfficeJet Pro 9130 printer series.